Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's March 25th and we're going to do a sweet potato slip update. Now our orange sweet potatoes, which are here and there, are doing good. Our purple sweet potatoes, now it looks like they're not doing too good, but I've actually harvested a whole bunch out of here. They were getting way too compact. You'll remember in the video, and I'll try to link it in here where we planted these and we was talking about them. Well, I've pulled a bunch of these out, and I'm going to actually pot them up, which I usually don't do, but they were getting so out of control as far as with the amount of them, how long the vines are, and we're going to go in there and we're going to talk about that. And we're back here in the workshop, and you can see we have a bushel basket full. Now, when I talked about planting these, I talked about how good this method is for the reason, you see I pulled these up and they have a good root system on these, even these smaller ones here. If these were to be planted today, which they're not, we're going to give them a little more time before we put them out so they can basically outrun the weeds, and we've got to get that area prepped. But we've got so many slips in here, and some of these have really gone wild, and they're probably 2 foot long. And like I say, it was just running out of room in that in that little container we had them planted in. So what we're going to do is normally I don't do this, but being how many's there, and I'm going to give them more of an opportunity to grow, I'm going to put them in these 1 gallon pots, or these are probably like 0.78 or about 3/4 of a gallon pot. I'm just going to put a good bit of them in each pot, maybe 25 or something. And that way, when they start getting wild again, I can just spread the pots out. But they'll have plenty of nutrients, plenty of room to carry them through for that's not quite a month, maybe about 3 more weeks. And then we'll put these in the ground. But anyway, I'm going to get started with this. Okay, and there you go. I just took little clumps of roughly about 25 and put them in each one of these pots. Now as they grow, and of course I did add some more fertilizer, I'll carry these out and water them in. But as you can see, I just barely started making a dent in here. So I guess I better get after it and get some more of these. But when I tell you you can grow your own sweet potato slips, I mean you can grow your own sweet potato slips. And for sure, I'll try to make sure that I did link that video on how to start them. If for some reason I forget, you can go and to the playlist at the end and look through there. I have a lot of great videos. But anyway, if you like content like this, you want to see more, well, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all. I hope you got some value from this video. As always, give it a big thumbs up if you did. And of course, share this video. It really helps out. Enjoy that gardening experience.